Hello, good afternoon, guys. This is Romy. Now we are starting the invention of self-made remote indicator for shutter and roll-up door. Mostly these are those applications for roll-up and shutter door, but you can use for your vehicles if you want to start in remote. The distance between the point from roll-up door to shutter door is 15 to 20 meters without any interference to your neighbor or any other remote controls. So this is a self-made and very efficient and durable, and I give you a warranty. Later on, I will release the video and demonstration how powerful is this self-made remote control for shutter door and roll-up door. And I will release the how much per piece. This is available now in Qatar, and in the future it will be available in the Philippines. So okay, guys, thank you very much, and I hope it will be the answer of your lost remote control for your roll-up door. It is applicable for any models, for any types of roll-up door and shutter doors. So thank you, and just wait for my sample and demonstration how powerful this handmade shutter and roll-up door. Thank you, guys, and God bless you all.